We're in Cedar Park, Texas at the hotspot, and this is Plug and Play Cedar Park's first Innovation Day of 2025.
Today we are at this pivotal moment in history where we've had many revolutions before, and then we've had revolutions, the most recent one in AI, and with that comes the power of compute. And with the power of compute comes semiconductors, come the need to innovate.
Cedar Park in the Austin area have headquartered some of the largest semiconductor companies such as NXP, Samsung Semiconductors, and also Cirrus Logic.
And great meeting everybody here and showing all of the demos that we have. We have our little AI inference chip here, and just showcasing this to people, getting the live reaction. There's really no substitute for that sort of demo and customer-facing experience.
Especially the semiconductor industry is a very close-knit community. People move from one semiconductor company to the other, but they all know each other. So it's very important to keep that connection together so that we can help each other.
A lot of things are just changing, not just by years, but we're talking about like days and weeks. So being informed is really the key point, and being able to talk with many people outside of the company and also from different parts of the industry and also from the government as well. That would actually help me get informed about what kind of a trend that we need to watch out for and what kind of business strategy that we need to actually watch out for.
The biggest challenge that people see today is just not really knowing how they can leverage these technologies to solve their problems because they're so used to doing things the way they've always done it in the past. And they all want to embrace a change. Who wouldn't want to go faster, lower cost? Plug and Play can help these startups that are building that plan hone their message and hone their strategy.
I would say I want Cedar Park, Texas, in the Austin area, in the greater Austin area, to really be known for that next place of innovation, right? That people take note of what's going on here between our Economic Development Corporation, city, as well as Plug and Play in that partnership, and think, I need to be there. This is a place that's helping grow that ecosystem, and they're investing in that next Fortune 500 company.